Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a program that asks the user to enter a number and then tell the user if the number is an even or an odd number. Alright, let's type for example 7. The program tells us 7 is an odd number. Then the program asks, do you want to try again? Let's say yes. Enter a number. I will type 2 for example. 2 is an even number. Then the program asks, do you want to try again? I will say yes. This time I will enter 1. 1 is an odd number. Then this time I will say no. And the program ends. So that's how our program works. Let's see how we can create this. Enjoy. First of all, let's display a welcome message. So I will use the print function. Print. And then let's write something like welcome to the even odd number program, for example. And then I will declare a variable called again. It's going to be a string variable. I'll give it a value of yes. I will show you later why we need to use this variable. Then I will put some space and we're then going to use the while loop to create a condition. So while variable again is equal to yes, we're gonna create another variable called now. And here we are going to ask the user to enter a number. Int put enter number. Then we have to use an if statement. If num modulus 2 is equal to 0, can print num is an even number. So this statement means that if the value of num divided by 2 is equal to 0, then it means that it's an even number. Otherwise, the program will print num number. Alright, and then we can ask the user again if you want to use the program again by using the again variable again. So let's ask the user, do you want to try again? And let's use the while loop again. In case the value of again is not equal to yes, and again variable is not equal to no. So this while loop will force the user to type yes or no. So again will be no. Ask the user to type yes or no. In case the user types something else, you can ask him to type yes or no. Then if the user type yes or no, you can continue. In case the user doesn't want to try again, the program can simply print thank you. Bye. Alright, that's it. Let's run our code. Enter a number. Let's type, for example, 7. 7 is an odd number. The program asks us, do you want to try again? I will type yes. And this time I will try type 8. 8 is an even number, and it's true. Let's try again. Yes. 1. 1 is an odd number. Let's try again. Yes. 24. 24 is an even number. We want to try again. Now let's spell yes. Say for example yes. Then the program asks us yes or no. So the program basically force the user to type yes or no. If we try to type something else, yeah, for example, we get the same question. If we try to type something else again, we get the same question. If we say, for example, yes, the program asks us to enter a number again. So we start from all over again. Let's enter 3. 3 is an odd number. Let's try again. Yes. Enter number 5. 5 is an odd number. Let's try again. Yes. Now we type 22. 22 is an even number. And this time I will say no, I don't want to try again. If I say no, the program will ask to type yes or no, and I'll just simply say no, and the program ends by saying thank you, bye. So this is basically how our program works. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share, and comment. See you next time.